Annyeonghaseyo friends, actors, storytellers, mga fellow K-drama fans. Welcome to Monologues with Leslie. I am Leslie and this video is another part of my K-drama edition where I take mga monologues from K-dramas I love and render them and adapt them into Filipino. And for my monologue practice for the week, pinili ko ang isang piece na galing sa My Liberation Notes, which is one of my absolute most recent favorites. It was so beautifully written, so beautifully acted and directed. Basta lahat, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. And it was actually written by the writer of My Ajushi or My Mister, which is also a very, very beautiful K-drama. Anyway, this piece comes from episode 11 where Yomi Jong and Mr. Gu are going up the mountain at night. And as they're going up the mountain, si Yomi Jong just has this beautiful reflection. And it was so beautifully done, so cinematically rendered. I cannot aspire. I mean, the way that it was executed was absolutely perfect. But I just wanted to have the chance to say those beautiful words and to try to do it in Filipino. In fact, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. I might even try an English version of it very soon. But in the meantime, I hope that you enjoy this. Nung bata ako, pinasulat ng teacher namin yung mga bagay na pinagdadasal namin tuwing nagsisimba. Nung mabasa ko yung sinulat ng mga kaibigan ko, inisip ko, yun talaga yung pinagdadasal nila. Mga marka, school na gusto mapasukan, mga kaibigan, mga crush. Yun talaga yung hinihiling nila sa Diyos. Pero ang Diyos yun eh. Ako, isang bagay lang naman yung gusto kong malaman eh. Ano ako? Bakit ako nandito? Walang ako bago mapanganak at alam ko tuluyan ako mawawala rito pagkatapos ng siguro mga 50 taon. Pero nararamdaman ko na matagal na akong buhay. At nararamdaman ko na mabubuhay pa ako. Kahit wala na ako rito. Yung pakiramdam na mabubuhay ako ng walang katapusan. Kung kahit nabibigo ako, di ako mapakali. Alam mo, dahil dito, hindi mapalagay yung puso ko. Di ako mapakali habang natutulog. Di ako mapalagay sa piling ng iba. Bakit hindi ko kayang tumawa tulad ng ibang tao? Bakit lagi na lang akong malungkot? Bakit lagi na lang ako kinakabahan? Bakit parang nakakabagot ang lahat? Para mga manikin lamang ang mga tao eh. Hindi nila alam kung ano talaga sila. Kunwari lang alam nila. Pinapalabas nila na alam nila. Pero yung mga taong nagsasabing masaya at matiwasay sila nabubuhay, sila yung mga taong tinalikuran ng mga makahalagang tanong. Sila yung pumili magsinungaling at magsabing, ito na lamang ang buhay. Tanggapin natin dahil ito na lamang ang buhay. Hindi ko gagawin yun. Wala akong pakialam kung saan ako pupunta bago pagkatapos ko mamatay. Gusto kong makita ang langit habang ako'y buhay pa. Alright, and end scene. So everybody, again, that piece was from episode 11 of My Liberation Notes starring Kim Ji-won and Son Suk-gu. Uy, opa! Again, just my bows and my round of applause to the entire cast, creative team, and crew of that K-drama. It was such a beautiful experience. And it was so fun trying out the words myself. Maraming salamat din sa inyong panunood ng video na ito. If you want to join me for more monologues, for more acting practice, kung meron pa kayong mga suggestions about pieces I should try out, ilagay ninyo sa comment section. I'd love to read it and interact with you. And again, if you want to join me for more, you can like this video and subscribe to this channel. So everyone, till our next monologue adventure, till our next acting practice, bye!